Hello, this is Sanjay Kumar Sr. Today is my birthday, the 12th of December 2017, and as you saw in the other video, it is also the same day that I got my promotion at Acres just about an hour ago. So two things in the same day, also the day that my boss celebrating his 1-year anniversary working at Acres, and right now in the next half hour, Hillary Rodham Clinton is going to do her speech in Portland. I'm going to ring the bell for my birthday and the same day of my promotion to supervisor of Acres, more specifically program supervisor.